Hello. If you're watching this video, you probably watched my last video of my siege video, but I just thought, seeing as it was such a bad gameplay, well, I got 10 kills, but we lost the game. I might as well upload 2 videos. So yeah, it's on this game. It's called PC Building Simulator. It's really good. So this is my PC here. They're all the stuff. It's worth £3.5 grand. Look, it's just got like 2 pieces of thingy, but it ain't got like a side on it or all. So it's got that. It's got a RTX 1080 graphics card. And it's got the, what's it called? It's got AMD Ryzen 5 8 core. And yeah, and it's got on the fan exactly, sorry, there, that is a Penta Special Edition. So yeah, wait, I swear down that's just like moved around even more. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna, oh yeah, and this is my PC. I tried to recreate, like that's pretty much the exact same case as my PC and everything. I just tried to kind of redo my PC. So yeah, that's my most expensive one that I've made, £4.5 grand. So yeah, I'm gonna try and make a expensive PC today. So yeah, so the case that I might choose is going to be, wait, not this case. I'm just gonna look at what this case is actually. Oh yeah, that's not the best. I'll put that in my inventory, whatever it's called. Where is it? I keep forgetting where it is. Oh, it's here. Storage, access my storage. So I have that one. How much is that? I do not know. Right, let me just how do you get into your thing? That's what I want to know. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one then. So we're gonna, can you put it on the desk? No. Right, in fact, I'm gonna put it there, but then I'm gonna move this one because this one's a pretty trash PC. I just went for like a good, like, I just tried to make it look like a good case and stuff, but it kind of didn't go well. So I'm gonna put that one here, and then I'll go over here, pick this up, and customize this on this desk. Right, so that's a work on it. Right, I'll remove the plate. Right. Wait, it's already got a fan in it. I'll remove that and I'll put a new fan in it. Right, so I'll start with my motherboard. As I said, I'm gonna go for good quality and good RGB and stuff like that. It's got RGB lighting. I'm feeling Asus, you know, or a Gigabyte. That one's pretty decent. I'll use that one. Actually, no. I don't want that one. Right, install motherboard. I'm gonna go with a MSI one, if I can find it. So one that I prefer. I've used it before in a build. Is this one. Slightly bigger than the other one, I think, but it's still good. And if if this is a bit boring, I'm going to try and speed it up, like some of it, and I'll try and cut some of it out as well. So yeah, that's the MSI motherboard. Right, now I'm going to do CPU. Install CPU. I'll go for the Intel Core i9 if they have it. Where is it? I swear down now, got an i9 from here. Nope, there isn't no. I'll go with this one. Yeah. Right, now I'll remove all these so I can put my graphics card in. Now I'll put the battery / like power thing in. Right, install. I'll put my CPU cooling in first. That's the Penta one, it's quite good. I was thinking, since I'm going for quite a cool but expensive one, I was thinking, where is it? The Cooler Master. Which one is it? I think it's this one here. No, not that one. No. Close it. Install. CPU cooling. If I can find it. Yeah, it's this one. I really like it. Now I'll put my memory in. So I'm going to go with 16 gigabytes of RAM. But I'm going to put a few in. So I'm going to go with as much RAM as I can. Actually, I'm going to go with an LED one. Mm. 16 gigabytes. That one. Just make it easy for me. I originally got this game like today for like kind of a bit educational, because I'm doing computer science at school and I find like stuff like this quite interesting. So yeah, I downloaded it because I knew that it might like help me with my exams and stuff, because I'm in year 9. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the RTX 1080 Ti. This is a nice graphics card, I can tell you that one now. This is the exact same one that I'm using, but mine's 2060p. No, not P. 2060. Actually, no. Right. Storage. I usually go with a Corsair, but Yeah, I'll just go with that again. So yeah. Wait, where does the storage go in this PC? I've totally forgot. I'm a bit of a noob at this stuff, so don't judge me. Oh, right, yeah. It's just 'cause, like, different, like, I know that it's usually on the motherboard, but I just didn't know whereabouts it were on the motherboard because I was going around and I couldn't see it. Power supplies. I usually go with the LED one that's at the bottom. That one. Oh wait, let me remove this. Install. Right. Case fans. Now this is a good one. Usually I go with this Corsair here. Yeah, this one. Should I go with it again? It's a pretty good one, I like it. That one looks quite nice. Yeah, screw it, I'm just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna put it there. Right, so remove top panel. Remove. I'm gonna have to remove all of this just to get this fan out and stuff. And then replace it with a RGB one. Like, it might not be like too important, like to have it RGB, but it just better. I might run it with no front case on the thing. Right, so we need to have the, I'll just type it in for Corsair. I went with this one, didn't I? Install. The more fans, the better, I suppose. Install Corsair case fans. Corsair. I might be doing a setup tour video soon because I'm getting my my room done out and everything. So yeah. Right, is there any more places? Yep, up top. And then there should be one in there. Right, so there's no more fans can fit. Why did I click on that? Don't even know why. Tools. Oh, I forgot to put my thermal paste on, but it'll do. Case fans. Yeah, that's about it. Let me just get it up and running and stuff, and then we should be good. Just need to plug it in and stuff. Hell, did you know you just played yourself, mate? Because you're putting money straight into my pocket. When you watch this. Connect PSU. Right. Now we need to go on the case. PC parts. So we'll see, but where's this dust filter? Where does it go? Oh, here. No? Somewhere. What? Wait, so I need to unplug that. Right. This is literally my PC. It's like almost the same case and everything. But this is just obviously a bit better than my PC. A lot more expensive. Right. Install the... Is that the top dust filter? Open memory clip. Why does it not show up with the dust filters? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Right, so piping. No, I'm not gonna do that. I might do a water cooling one soon after I like learn more how to do it and stuff. Wait, so if I turn this PC on now, obviously I can't, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Right, dust filter for the front. There's also, I don't know. What did I take out now? I can't. Dust filter. Oh, that's what these dust filters for. side panel.
Follow here. Will it run our cable? So if I press it now, yeah, it turns on, that's good. Right, so now I just need to put, should I put the front panel on? Wait.
Right, turn it on. Does it look nice like that? Like that. No. I say front panel off me. I want you to put a comment down below. I'm going to keep it off for now, but I want you to put a comment down below saying whether you prefer it off or on. And then I'll put it back on next time I do a video. Incomplete case. Yeah. Nah, it should be alright. Oh, I need to put my tools and software, USB. Right now. Right, let me restart my PC. Right. Now. No need to. Oh, everything's already. Oh no, it ain't. So I'll just do lighting. I don't really need all else because I just want to. All I need to do is do this. Right, lighting. Where is it? Select all. Rainbow. Turn it down a little bit. Apply. This is a bit of a beast, like. Yeah. Oh, wait, I'm gonna, like, change the, what do you call it? The other stuff. So, I'm gonna use the Black Widow MSI. I'll use, is this the one with, right, there's a MSI thing there. Yeah, wait, there's a better one than that, isn't there? Yeah, that one. Oh yeah, and then monitor. I think that's the best monitor you can get, if I'm right. Right, yep. So, yep, this is my PC that I've built, and see you next time.